Lesson: Balancing transparency with security. Balancing transparency with security in artificial intelligence systems is a critical component of fostering trust and accountability in AI governance. As AI systems increasingly influence decisions in sensitive areas such as healthcare, finance, and law enforcement, ensuring transparency while maintaining security becomes paramount. Professionals in AI ethics and governance must navigate this balance to ensure ethical compliance, protect sensitive data, and maintain public trust. Transparency in AI refers to the ability of stakeholders to understand how AI systems make decisions. It involves clear documentation of data sources, algorithmic processes, and decision-making criteria. Transparency is essential for accountability, as it allows stakeholders to scrutinize AI systems and ensure they align with ethical and regulatory standards. However, complete transparency can expose sensitive data and intellectual property, leading to potential security vulnerabilities and privacy breaches. Therefore, it's crucial to implement strategies and tools that balance the need for transparency with the imperative to protect security. One effective approach to achieving this balance is the use of explainable AI tools. XAI provides insights into AI decision-making processes without exposing underlying sensitive data or proprietary algorithms. For example, Lime is a widely used XAI tool that offers explanations for individual predictions made by machine learning models. By generating human-readable interpretations of AI decisions, Lime helps stakeholders understand model behavior and assess compliance with ethical standards without compromising security. Implementing XAI tools like Lime can enhance transparency while safeguarding sensitive information and intellectual property. To further balance transparency and security, organizations can adopt frameworks like the AI Transparency and Accountability Framework proposed by the European Commission. This framework emphasizes the need for clear documentation of AI systems, including data sources, model architectures, and decision-making processes, while also recommending robust security measures to protect this information. By following such frameworks, organizations can establish a structured approach to transparency that integrates security considerations, ensuring that sensitive information is disclosed responsibly and protected adequately. Data anonymization and differential privacy are practical techniques that can enhance transparency without compromising security. Data anonymization involves removing or obfuscating personally identifiable information from datasets, allowing organizations to share data insights without exposing individual identities. Differential privacy adds noise to datasets, providing statistical insights while preserving the privacy of individual data points. By employing these techniques, organizations can disclose meaningful information about AI systems and their decision-making processes while ensuring that sensitive data remains secure and private. Case studies provide valuable insights into the application of these tools and frameworks. Consider the healthcare sector, where AI is used to assist in diagnosis and treatment planning. A hospital implementing AI for patient diagnosis must ensure that the system's decision-making processes are transparent to medical professionals and patients. By utilizing XAI tools like SHAP, the hospital can provide clinicians with interpretable explanations of AI-driven diagnoses, enabling them to make informed decisions while maintaining the security of patient data. This approach not only enhances transparency and trust, but also safeguards sensitive patient information. The financial sector presents another example where balancing transparency and security is crucial. Financial institutions leveraging AI for credit scoring must ensure that their models are transparent to regulators and customers. By employing model documentation practices recommended by the AI Transparency and Accountability Framework, these institutions can provide detailed explanations of their credit scoring models, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements while protecting proprietary algorithms and customer data. Statistics underscore the importance of balancing transparency with security in AI systems. According to a survey conducted by the Capgemini Research Institute, 62% of consumers are more willing to trust companies that are transparent about how they use AI. However, The same survey reveals that 76% of consumers are concerned about the potential misuse of their data by AI systems. These statistics highlight the dual necessity for transparency to build trust and for robust security measures to alleviate privacy concerns. Practical tools like risk assessment matrices can aid professionals in evaluating the trade-offs between transparency and security. These matrices enable organizations to categorize AI systems based on their potential impact on privacy and security, guiding decision-making processes regarding the level of transparency required. By systematically assessing risks and benefits, organizations can make informed decisions about which aspects of AI systems to disclose and which to protect, ensuring that transparency does not compromise security. Incorporating feedback mechanisms is another effective strategy for balancing transparency with security. By establishing channels for stakeholders to provide feedback on AI systems, organizations can identify potential transparency issues and security vulnerabilities. This iterative feedback loop allows for continuous improvement and adaptation of AI systems to align with ethical standards and security requirements. Additionally, engaging with diverse stakeholders, including ethicists, legal experts, and security professionals, can provide a holistic perspective on the transparency-security balance, ensuring that multiple viewpoints are considered in decision-making processes. The role of regulatory compliance cannot be overlooked in the pursuit of balancing transparency with security. Regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, mandate transparency in data processing while enforcing strict data protection measures. Compliance with such regulations ensures that organizations adhere to legal requirements for transparency and security, reducing the risk of legal repercussions and enhancing public trust. In conclusion, balancing transparency with security in AI systems is a multifaceted endeavor that requires the integration of practical tools, frameworks, and strategies. Explainable AI tools, data anonymization techniques, and differential privacy are instrumental in providing insights into AI decision-making processes while protecting sensitive data. Frameworks like the AI Transparency and Accountability Framework offer structured approaches to transparency that incorporate security considerations. Case studies from healthcare and finance illustrate the successful application of these strategies, highlighting the importance of transparency in building trust and the necessity of security in protecting sensitive information. By leveraging risk assessment tools, feedback mechanisms, and regulatory compliance, organizations can navigate the complexities of transparency and security, ensuring that AI systems are accountable, ethical, and secure. This comprehensive approach not only enhances proficiency in AI ethics and governance, but also fosters a culture of trust and responsibility in the deployment of AI technologies.